Welcome to the EdMoD EduMod series of videos where we're going to be examining how you can use the EduMod to do experiments within your classroom. In this experiment, we're going to be looking how the angle that the scintillators are to the horizon is going to affect the muon flux that you're going to record. Now, to set this up, you need to set up your scintillators with a certain distance between them, with the control box situated in between. Now, I've placed this on a tripod and currently it is sitting at 90 degrees. So hopefully what that means is that you have maximum flux coming through. Now, you may ask, why are they separated? Why not have the two scintillators close together? Well, the important thing is you want to make sure that you're only collecting data from the muons that are coming vertically down. So for example, if we do have a random muon coming at an angle, it is more likely to therefore escape this area of the scintillators and therefore not be detected. You have the extension plates in place so that you get much more reliable and valid data. You set this up like so, and with a USB cable, you're going to connect that up to your laptop to collect your data. You run this in the 90-degree situation. Now, it's important that you need to get a good amount of data, and so for each particular angle, a minimum of 10 minutes is probably a good starting point to collect a reasonable amount of data. You then, for the next sample, you change the angle. Now, obviously in changing the angle, you can see what I've done here. I've got it on a tripod and I'm going to tip it forward like so. The control box has the ability to detect the angle, so it will record the angle for you as well. And then you repeat the experiment. Again, a minimum of 10 minutes. And then you continue on for a variety of angles until you get to a point, let's say around 70 or 80 degrees. Now at this point, you would expect that the amount of muon flux that you'd be collecting would be quite small. But again, for your students' benefit, make sure you try to get as great a range as possible so that the data is valid. Make sure your tripod is well locked in place and make sure your control box is resting against one of those pylons. That's an extra security measure to make sure that the control box is not going to slide out. And then hopefully what you should find is that when you collect that data and change the angle, you should find a lovely cosquared theta relationship with the muon flux. Hope that has helped you understand how to set up this experiment. My name is Paul. Take care. Bye-bye.